bright. Lights are glowing for the New Year night. Let's keep this place tidy and smart, so our Earth stays happy from the heart. Hi, I'm Gusti Kinanti. I'm a 5th grade student from Aliaklu Elementary School. Before the New Year's Eve celebration, Ijen Street is sparkling clean. But what happens after the fireworks? Tonight, I will show how we can enjoy a fun picnic outdoors without harming our environment. After the New Year celebration, Malang streets were covered with over 800 tons of trash. Plastic and styrofoam were everywhere, polluting rivers, streets, and even the air we breathe. This problem happens in just one night, but the impact can last for a very long time. Plastic waste does not disappear easily and can pollute land and water. Most of this damage happens because people don't realize the long-term impact of their daily choices. That's why I create a great game called New Year's Eve Eco Picnic. Through this game, we want people to see, feel, and understand how small decisions can create a big impact. Almost New Year's. Are you ready for our picnic to watch the fireworks?
I'm EcoBot. I'm excited too, but New Year's Eve often creates a lot of waste.
Waste? What do you mean, EcoBot? We just wanna have fun and eat outside.
A single plastic cup from our picnic can last 450 years in the ocean.
450 years? I didn't realize a small party could have such a big impact. What should I do?
Don't worry. Let's choose eco-friendly items for our picnic to save the planet. Let's start prepping.
In this great game, players act as someone preparing a New Year's Eve picnic.
Your mission is to pack a zero-waste picnic.
At each stage, the player must choose between eco-friendly items or single-use waste. At the start of the game, both variables are set to 0. First, the player must choose a drink container. Then, I choose a tumbler.
Excellent
The
choice.
game adds 50 points to eco-resolution. Next, I choose a reusable food box instead of styrofoam.
Excellent choice.
Choice adds another point to eco-resolution. When I select a stainless steel spoon, the game recognizes it as a reusable item. So,
Excellent choice.
should increases again. Choosing a compact reusable bag means we don't need plastic bags.
Excellent choice.
Finally, I choose reusable LED light instead of balloons.
Excellent choice.
Now, let's see what happens when we choose the wrong items. When the player selects plastic bottles, styrofoam food box, plastic spoons, plastic bags, single-use decoration.
No.
The game increases the New Year waste value. Because New Year waste become higher than eco-resolution, the earth become polluted and damaged. Now I will explain how this game works from a programming point of view. This great game is built using variables, conditions, and events. There are two main variables in this game. The first variable is eco-resolution, and the second variable is New Year waste. At the start of the game, both variables are set to 0. Every time the player clicks an item, the game checks the type of choice. If the player selects an eco-friendly item like a tumbler, Scratch increases the eco-resolution value and sends broadcast to Earth Sprite to make Earth look happier. If the player selects a single-use item like plastic or styrofoam, the Earth becomes sad. After each choice, the Earth Sprite responds immediately. When eco-resolution increases, the Earth
Excellent choice.
here. When New Year waste increases, the Earth becomes sad.
No.
At the end of the game, Scratch compares both variables. If eco-resolution is higher than New Year waste, the Earth Sprite will get winner broadcast. But if New Year waste is higher, the Earth gets lose broadcast. Programming helps turn abstract problems into clear visual outcomes. When technology is used for education, it can inspire real change. Through this game, I learned that saving the planet starts with simple choices. You don't need big actions to make a difference. One choice, one celebration, one planet to protect together. Happy New Year!